How to save Instagram Reels in Gallery. Hey guys, today I will be showing you how you can download these Reels into your phone gallery without downloading any application or software. So all you're going to do is you're going to open up Instagram and you're going to pick out any of these videos that you want. You don't need to download any other application for this. You don't need to do anything else other than just take a look at the video, open up Instagram, and what you're going to do is once you have chosen the video that you want to download, so for example, I want to download this video over here. What you're going to do is you're going to open up the video. You're going to see on the bottom right you have the share button, and then you're going to click on add post to story. Now don't worry, this is not actually going to be added to your story. You can just expand this however you want, and then once you have expanded it to a certain height and length, you're just going to click on these top three dots. So once you click on these top right three dots, you're going to see the save option over here, and you're going to click on save over here. And now the video is being saved without having to actually share it on your story. Once you have done that, you can just close this over here, and just like that, your video has been saved and it has been removed, like all of that has been removed. So that is how simple and easy it is to save a video on Instagram directly from Instagram. And if I go into my gallery over here, you can see this has been downloaded over here just like that, and that is it. So I hope you guys found this video helpful, and I will see you in the next video.